जय भारत, जय भारत के लोग, जय भारतीय संविधान। घर, कार्यालय, कंपनी, संगठन, पार्टी आदि का प्रशासन एवं बजट। सोशल वर्क एट ए ग्लांस, humanitarian and democratic matrix of social work philosophy. Social problems in India: social disorganization, poverty, unemployment, population explosion, communalism, secularism, regionalism, backward castes, tribes and classes, youth unrest and agitation, child abuse and child labor, violence against women, illiteracy, urbanization, crime and criminals, juvenile delinquency, alcoholism, drug abuse and drug addiction, AIDS, terrorism, corruption, bonded labor, black money. There are 4 types of human needs: biological needs, social needs, cultural needs, psychological needs. Curative: there are several methods, several approach to identify problem and solve. Curative, correctional, rehabilitative, preventive, developmental. Curative, correctional, rehabilitative, preventive, developmental. Methods: case work, group work, community organization, social action, social work administration, social work research. Tools: use of self, use of program, relationship, interaction. Project proposal: title, aims, objectives, target population, background and jurisdiction, approach and strategy, program, work plan, proposed output, monitoring and evaluation, sustainability, personal requirements, budget, technique, interviewing, listening, observing, questioning, supporting, education, counseling, explaining, informing, advising, agreeing, disagreeing, reviewing, reinforcing, confronting, clarifying, reassuming. Fields of social work: child, women, youth, rural, urban, industrial, social development, health, mental health, retardation, mental retardation, education, social defense, family planning, environment. Research study proposal. Problem: introduction, statement of problem, review of literature, concept and theories, previous research finding, present study, nature of study, objective, hypothesis, operational definitions, operational definitions, significance of the study, scope of the study, research design, exploratory, descriptive, diagnostic, experimental, universe and sample, data collection, source of data collection, tools of data collection, data processing, data analysis and interpretation. Data analysis and interpretation. Limitation: report writing. Role of social worker: the enabler, the guide, the advocate, the experts, the therapist, social changers, the informer, the helper, the promoter, the preacher. Post-crop: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. Post-crop: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. Community profile: demographic profile, name of the community, location, total number of household, population, caste, economic status, housing land, agricultural land, status of women and children, historical background, geographical area map, logical and political status, major occupation, professions, agricultural pattern and seasonal cycles, religious ceremony, rituals, festivals, steps of community organization, consciousness of need, spreading the consciousness, spreading the consciousness of need, projection, emotional impulses to meet the need quickly, presentation of the solutions, investigation, open discussion of issue, integration of solutions, compromise on basis of tentative progress, principle of social work, individualization, meaningful relationship, self-determination, acceptance, communication, social funding, tuning behaviors, social learning, confidentiality, social casework process, social investigation, psychosocial study, contents of social investigation, pictures of the problem. 1. Pictures of the problem. 2. Client's feeling and reactions. 3. Client's effort to solve problems. 4. Social conditions. 5. Psychosocial development of the client. 6. Personality of the client. Technique of social investigation. Tools of social investigation. Social diagnosis. Social treatment. Social work treatment process. SWC treatment process. Initial phase, motivation and role induction, primary contract, diagnosis and assessment, establishing treatment goals. 6. Developing treatment plan. 7. Preparation of actual treatment. 8. Application of treatment methods, administrative of practical services, indirect treatment, direct treatment. 9. Monitoring and evaluation. 10. Planning, follow up and the treatment of therapeutic relationship, principle of casework relationship, individualization, purposeful expression of feeling, control emotional involvement, acceptance, the non-judgmental attitude, a client self-determination, confidentiality. There are important rules which we must learn. Rules Act, Constitution of India's provision, Constitution of India's provisions, Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1857, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000, Child Marriage Restraint Act 1923, Education Act of 1881, National Child Labor Policy 1987, National Education Policy 1986, Constitutional Provisions, Article 21A, Right to Education, Article 23, Prohibition of Traffic in Human Beings and Forced Labor, Article 24, Prohibition of employment of children in factory, etc. Article 39EF, certain principle of policy followed by the state Article 45 provisions for free and compulsory education of children. The United Nations Conventions on Right of the Child, ILO Convention related to child labor. How to prepare a budget plan. Writing a budget involves answering a number of questions that can only be answered by program staff and finance staff working together. They start with plans and goals, not numbers. What objectives are we trying to achieve? What activities will be involved in achieving these objectives? What resources will we need to carry out these activities? What will these resources cost? Where will the funds come from? What will the sources will be? Is the results realistic? These are main budgets topic, and maintaining record. If anyone participating in election, the candidate need to maintain three types of book. Yellow, first white book for expenses, second pink book for cash, and third yellow book for bank details, bank statement. And there are different books which are being maintained in government offices, like cash book, bill register, budget control, sanction files, stock register, consumable and non-consumable. There are two types of stock register: consumable, non-consumable. There may be several other types of register. 5 movement register, 6 diary dispatch, 7 MTNL register, 8 personal files. There are RR of all the government staff, like small diary, which all records of the employee is being maintained. One time I have seen that one red pen, one line was written in red, then employee was very disturbed on that, and he was trying for something for that. File movement, file index, register index. There can be other records like salary, maintaining salary account, maintaining leave account, and making bills of an employee. For making bills, an employee required manual work as well as online work. First of all, employee need to maintain manually record, and after that he need to update that record online. And finally salary of all staff goes to POs, and PO send salary online. So one time more I am reading this. Expenses, pink for cash, yellow for bank, 1 cash book, 2 bill register, 3 budget control, 1 sanction file. Sanction file means whatever expenses is being done in government office, the bill is being submitted to LDC or UDC, and UDC and LDC presenting that bill to the gazetted officer, and gazetted officer sanctioning that bill by signing. And after that, after making entry in in concern register, the bill is being kept in sanction file. So this is important register, this is important file. It may be so thick because so many bills are being submitted. Stock register, consumable, non-consumable, movable register, diary dispatch, MTNL register, personal files, file movement to index, file index. 3. Register index. Home budget. Now we will discuss home budget. Home budget, you can give priority of topic yourself. Here we have maintained record in this priority. First is rice and flours. Home budget, rice and flours, pulses, dals, spice powders, oils, spices and nuts, spices and nuts, other ingredients, dairy products, toiletries, cleaning products, miscellaneous, vegetable, fruit, extra, grand total. Home budget, rice and flours, pulses, dals, rice and flours, pulses, dals, spice powders, pulses, dals, spice powders, oils, spices and nuts, spices and nuts, other ingredients, dairy products, toiletries, cleaning products, miscellaneous cleaning products, vegetable, fruit extra, grand total. Home budget, rice and flours, pulses, dals, spice powders, oils, spices and nuts, other ingredients, dairy products, toiletries, cleaning products, miscellaneous, vegetable, fruit extra, grand total. Home budget, rice and flours, pulses, dals, spice powders, oils, spices and nuts, other ingredients, dairy products, toiletries, cleaning products, miscellaneous, vegetable, fruit extra, grand total. Home budget, rice and flours, pulses, dals, spice and powders, oils, spices and nuts, other ingredients, dairy products, toiletries, cleaning products, miscellaneous, vegetable, fruit extra, grand total. This home budget for the month of October 2020 from these item can be brought online from the amazon.in, and there are other online websites you can identify. Each and every item budget for home use must be entered in this table from 27th October 2020. Each and every item bought from home for home use must be entered in this table from 27th October to 2020. Items, daily expenses, metro. Item price, quantity for one time, quantity for 1 day, quantity for 30 days. Daily expenses 21 to 20, metro 100, 1 to 20. Rice and flours, atta 30, 20, 600. Rice 5 to 7 kgs 40, 25, 1000. Maida 1 to 2 kg for cakes and snacks, 50, 150. Besan flour half kg, 120. 1/2, 180. सूजी रावा सेमोलिना और चिरोटी रावा 1 kg, 45, 145. वर्मी सेली सेमैया 1 पैकेट बैग, 15, 115. शुगर 1 kg, 53, 150. जगरी गुड़ 45, 145. टोटल 2085. पल्सिस दाल्स काला चना 70 to 140. चना दाल 1/2 kg, 100 to 140. राजमा पीस 1/4 kg each, 100, 100. येलो मूंग 1 kg, 130, 130. मसूर दाल 100, 100. टोटल 570. स्पाइस पाउडर्स क्रिस्टल साल्ट 1 kg, 21 to 42. रेड चिलीज पाउडर 1/4 kg, 40, 140. टर्मरिक पाउडर 100 grams, 10, 4, 40. धनिया पाउडर 1/4 kg, 25 to 50. आमचूर पाउडर 50 ग्राम, 20, 120. गरम मसाला पाउडर 100 grams, 40, 140. चाट मसाला पाउडर 1 पैकेट स्मॉल, 20, 120. रेडीमेड पाउडर लाइक गार्लिक पाउडर, पाव भाजी मसाला, चना मसाला एक्सेट्रा 30, 130. टी पाउडर 100 grams, 40 to 80. बेकिंग पाउडर 1 पैकेट 10, 110. टोटल 372. ऑयल्स कुकिंग ऑयल्स 1-2 liter, 130, 390. जिंजरली ऑयल सीसम ऑयल 1-2 liters, 120, 120. टोटल 510. Spices and nuts, mustard seed 150 grams, 20, 120. Pepper 100 grams, 30, 130. Cumin seed jeera 100 grams, 40, 140. Dry ginger peas or powders, dry ginger peas or powder 50 grams, 20, 120. अजवाइन ओमान 50 grams, 40, 140. हींग असोफिटाटा टीडा असोफिटाटा 1 bag big, 30, 130. cinnamon 1 packet, 10, 110. cloves 1 small packet. dates optional, dates khajur 100 gram, 10, 110. total 200. other ingredients pasta 200 grams, tomato ketchup sauces 1 bottle. Total dairy products: paneer, cottage cheese 2 packets 70 to 140, milk 47 20 940, egg 7 14 98, total 1178, toiletries toothpaste 200 grams 40 140, bathing soap 3 nose 10 3 30, shampoo hair conditioner 1 bag bottle 1 20 20, face powder 1 bag 40 140, kajal kumkum stickers 1 number, razor blades 1 packet big 15 115, baby products as needed 100 100, total 245, cleaning products washing powder 1 kg 10 3 30, washing soaps 5 nose 10 3 30, floor clean 1 bottle 50 150, total 110, miscellaneous medicine bandages 100 100, total 100, vegetable green beans runner 50 150, bitter gourd 73 1 210, bottle gourd 55 250, capsicum bell pepper 40 140, cauliflower 54 200, cluster beans 50 150, cucumber 80 180, garlic 30 260, Evigard Tindora 60 160, ladyfinger okra 50 150, onion 55 250, potato 35 8 280, radish 40 280, ridge guard spinach guard 50 150, tomato 90 190, total 1900, fruit banana reap 45 200, orange 54 200, total 400, extra cloth 100 100, chola bhatura 20 240, total 140, grand total 9810. I am reading this budget for one more time. Home budget for the month of October 2020 for all these items can be brought from the market or from online website like Amazon, and there are other so many website who can delivery all things at your home. So home budget for the month of October 2020 from Amazon.com. Each and every item brought for home use must be entered in this table from 27th October 2020. Item price, quantity one time, quantity 1 day, quantity 30 days, amount 1 time, amount 1 day, amount 30 days, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Home budget for the month of October 2020 from Amazon.com. Each and every item bought for home use must be entered in this table from 27th October 2020. Item price, quantity one time, quantity 1 day, quantity 13 days, amount one time, amount 1 day, amount 30 days, day 1. Daily expenses 21. Daily expenses 21 to 20, 20, 40, 400. Metro 100, 1 to 20, 100, 200, 2000. Rices and flours. Atta 30, 20, 600. Rice 5 to 7 kgs, 40, 25, 1000. Maida 1 2 kgs for cakes and snacks, 50, 1 or 50. Besan flours half kg, 120, 1.5 kg, 180. सूजी, रावा, सेमोलिना और चिरोटी रावा 1 kg, 45, 145. vermicelli सेमिया 1 पैकेट, बिग 15, 115. sugar 1 kg, 53, 150. jaggery 1.5 kg, 45, 145. total 2085. pulses dals, काला चना 72, 140. चना दाल हाफ kg, 100, 100. राजमा पीस 1/4 each, 100, 100. येलो मूंग दाल 1 kg, 130, 130. मसूर दाल 100, 100. टोटल 570. स्पाइस पाउडर्स, क्रिस्टल साल्ट 1 kg, 21 to 42. रेड चिली पाउडर 1/4 kg, 40, 140. टर्मरिक पाउडर 100 ग्राम, 10, 4, 40. धनिया पाउडर 1/4, 25, 2, 50. आमचूर पाउडर 50 ग्राम्स, 20, 120. गरम मसाला पाउडर 100 ग्राम्स, 40, 140. चाट मसाला पाउडर 1 पैकेट स्मॉल, 20, 120. रेडीमेड पाउडर लाइक गार्लिक पाउडर, पाव भाजी मसाला, चना मसाला एक्सेट्रा 30, 130. टी पाउडर 100 ग्राम्स, 40, 280. बेकिंग पाउडर 1 पैकेट, 10, 110. टोटल 372. ऑयल्स, कुकिंग ऑयल्स 1 to 2 items, 130, 390. gingerly oil, sesame oil 1 to 2 items, 120, 120. Total 510. Spices and nuts, mustard seed 150 grams, 20, 20. Pepper 100 grams, 30, 130. Cumin seed, जीरा 100 grams, 40, 140. Dairy ginger, dry ginger peas or powders 50 grams, 20, 120. Ajwain, almond 50 grams, 40, 140. High asafotata 1 box, big 30, 130. cinnamon 1 packet, 10, 110. cloves 1 packet. dates khajur optional 100 grams, 10, 110. total 200. other ingredients: pasta 200 grams, tomato ketchup sauce 1 bottle. Total dairy products: paneer, cottage cheese 2 packets 70 to 140, milk 47 20 940, egg 7 14 98. Total 1178. Toiletries toothpaste 20 grams 40 140. Bathing soap 3 nose 10 330. Shampoo, hair conditioner 1 big bottle 120 20. Face powder 1 box 40 140. Kajal, kumkum stickers 1 number. razor blades 1 packet big 15 15. Baby products as needed 100 100. Total 245. Cleaning products: washing powder 1 kg 330. Washing soap 5 nose 10 330. Floor clean 1 bottle 50 150. Total 110. Toiletries: toothpaste 200 gram 40 140. Shampoo, hair conditioner 1 big bottle 120 20. Kajal, kumkum sketchy sticker 1 nose. Razor blade 1 packet big 15 115. Baby products as needed 100 100. Total 245. Cleaning products: washing powder 1 kg 10 330. Washing soap 5 nose 10 330. Floor cleaner 1 bottle 50 150. Total 110. Miscellaneous medicine: bandages 100 100. Total 100. Vegetable: green beans runner 53 150. Bitter gourd 73 210. Bottle gourd 55 250. Capsicum, bell pepper 40 140. Cauliflower 54 200. Cluster beans 50 150. Cucumber 80 180. Garlic 30 160. Avigard Tindora 60 160. Ladyfinger okra 50 150. Onion 55 250. Potato 35 8 280. Radish 40 280. Radish gourd, spinach gourd 50 150. Tomato 90 190. Total 1900. Fruit: banana rip 45 200. Orange 54 200. Total 400. Extra cloth 100 100. Chola bhatura 20 to 40. Total 140. Grand total 9810. European Union GEF SGP, the GEF Small Grants Program, UNDP Empowered Lives, Resilient Nations, Resilient Nations, EO NGOs project proposal template, 1 table of contents, 2 cover page, country, submission date, project number. For SGP official use, do not write anything here. Project title, the title must be capture the essence of project and align it to the EU NGOs project documents. Applicant, name of organization, year established, number of members, number of projects implemented, mailing address, physical address, telephone, fax, email. Principal officer, name and position, project contact manager, name and position, project contact manager, name and position. Detailed are provided in the guidelines, which include what should go into the contents page. European Union GEF SGP, the GEF Small Grants Program, UNDP Empowered Lives, Resilient Nations Project, GEF SGP classification as indicated below. Thematic, focal area, project category. Conservation of biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, demonstration project, climate change, capacity development project, conservation, biodiversity, climate change, land degradation and sustainable forest management, international waters, chemicals, POPs, capacity development, project category, demonstration project, capacity development project, applied research, policy analysis, information networking, policy dialogue, proposed start date, expected project duration 18 months or less, finance, total GEF SGP EU NGOs request, local currency, total from other sources, local currency, US dollar, total project cost, local currency, US dollar, UN rate of exchange. For SGP official use, do not write anything here. Proposal, section 1, project rationale and approach, project summary, organizational background and capacity to implement the project objectives and expected outcomes, description of project activities, implementation plan and time frame, plan to ensure community participation and knowledge management, gender mainstreaming, communication of results and replications, project. Section B, project risk, monitoring and evaluation, risks to successful implementation, monitoring, evaluation, plan and indicators, sustainability and results achieved. Section C, project budget, financial details, project expenditures, bank details, indicators. Annex 1, indicators. EU NGO capacity, results, outcomes, and indicators. EU NGO GEF SGP project proposal guidelines, general requirements. The project proposal should include the standard cover sheet, a one-page table of contents, and should not be exceed 15 pages of text, including any charts and diagrams. The proposal should be submitted in a type form. Additional attachment not more than 10 pages may be submitted, including documents certifying the status of the organization, endorsements of the proposed project, funding commitments, or other indicators of participation and support from other institutions, and evidence of community support and participation. Please ensure that the project proposal and all attachments are legible. All supporting documents attachment should also have the name of the project on them. Submit on original copy of the proposal, soft and hard copy, to the national coordinator, Mr. Munir Adgham, GEF Small Grants Program Office, Telfax, Royal Marine Conservation Society. 7. Abdul Fazal, AI Saha, Alabi, S. Samiansani. Keep Munir aa@unOPS.org. Keep a copy of your proposal for your own records, as the one you submitted will not be returned. Preparing your proposal. In preparing a project proposal, please follow the major points of the outlines set forth below. Ensure that all bullet points including in the outline are addressed, as these cover the major issue which the National Steering Committee and SC will consider in reviewing the proposal. It is suggested that the proposal does not exceed the total number of pages stipulated. 1. Table of contents. The table of contents should be prepared in logical and consistent manner and following the format presented. 2. Cover page. The cover page provides an important summary of project. Each project will be assigned a project number by GEF SGP as appropriate to the country. The cover page should indicate the duration and start date of the project, provide the applicant's details, and include information on project finances, specifying total requested support from the EU funded project and co-financing are available and are expected. The co-financing can be in kind, cash, or parallel in nature. The UN rate of exchange at the time of proposal submission by the grantee should be lodged in by the national coordinator NC, regardless of the fact that projects may be evaluated and approached by the NSC at a later date. 3. Proposal. The proposal includes the following main section: project rationale and approach. Section A. Project risks. Monitoring and evaluation section B, and project budget section C. Section A, project rationale and approach. This section provides the rationale and background of the project as well as proposed approach. 1.1 Project summary. The project summary should describe the project context, including the key environmental governance problem to be addressed and the proposed approach, including the rational justification for the project. The section should describe the capacity development results outcome indicated below. The project will be contributing to relevance of the project to the GEF SGP country program strategy should also be presented. 1.2 Organizational background and capacity to implement the project. This section should demonstrate that the proposing organization has the experience, capacity and commitment to successfully implement the proposed project, or is prepared to work with SJP to build its capacity to undertake the project. The issue to be covered in this section include nature of the proposing organization, national and subnational NGO, research and training institution. Please review EU NGOs guidelines not for eligibility criteria, purpose and core activities of the proposing organization group, organizational approach for project implementation, i.e. how does the organization or group intend to deliver the project, length of existence and project management experience if any, organizational structure, governance and administrative framework, provide the number of paid staff numbers if it is a well constituted organization, if relevant, state membership and affiliation to associations or umbrella groupings, provide an indication of the legal status if known, provide an elaboration of its nature of existence, target population group, indicate relevant community groups, women, indigenous pupils, youth, etc. If the organization has been in existence before, the proponents should explicitly describe previous experience relevant to the proposed project, including as relevant projects focused on environmental governance and capacity development project addressing problems of biodiversity loss, climate change mitigation and or climate proofing, land degradation, sustainable forest management, pollution of international waters, chemicals management. 1.3 Project objective and expected results. This section can be laid out in a matrix from and should contain a clear and specific statement of what the proposed project will be accomplished. Preferably, this should follow a logical framework. Among the issues to address include the problem statement or challenge The project intend to address the primary objective and specific objectives of the proposed project. The full address of the rational jurisdiction for the project. The rational should indicate the importance of proposed project to the EU NGO's project in terms of contributing to its overall and specific objectives to promote sustainable development, improved environmental management in NGO in neighbor countries to the east and to the south of the European Union through more effective civil society participation in environmental governance. It should also reflect the relationship of project to other relevant programs such as local, district or national government programs, other GEF, SGP, GEF and UNDP projects, multilateral and bilateral aid agency projects and other community based CSO and or private sector activities. This will ensure that the intervention is not a stand-alone activity. The specific result or outcome that the project will produce. The expected result are the measurable changes which will have occurred by the end of the project as a result of the planned intervention. Please note that each grantee should clearly identify the specific capacity result outcomes indicated below. The project will be contributing to 1 2 3 outcomes should be adopted by each project, and impacted indicators chosen should correspond to each of the outcomes selected. A capacity results outcome: 1 capacities of engagement, B capacity results outcome: 2 capacities to generate access and use information and knowledge, C capacity result outcome: 3 capacity for strategy, policy and legislation development, C capacity result outcome: 4 capacities for management and implementation, E capacity results outcome: 5 capacities to monitor and evaluate. 1.4 description for project activities. 1.4 description for project activities. This section, to be included in a logical framework, should describe what will actually be done to produce the expected results and accomplish the project's objectives. There should be a clear and direct linkage between the activities and the expected results or outcomes. The proponent must ensure that the activities are means to achieving the results. Note that weakness in this area may be a major reason for failure to receive funding. Activity description should be as specific as possible, identifying what will be done, who will do it, when it will be done, beginning duration, completion, and where it will be done. In describing the activities, and indication should be made regarding the organization and individual involvement or benefiting from the activity. Please review EU NGOs guidelines note for type of project activities eligible to be funded. 1.5 implementation plan and time frame. This section may be presented in graphical table from and can be attached as an annex. It should indicate the sequence of all major activities and implementation milestones, including targeted beginning and ending dates for each step. Please note that projects should be designed with a duration of not more than 18 months, provided as much detail as possible at this stage. The implementation plan should be a logical flow of steps, indicating that all the things that must happen have been carefully thought through from the current to the end of project situation. Please include in the implementation plan the required report, project review and evaluation activities. 1.6 Knowledge management. 1.6 knowledge management. Please describe how you plan to capture, share and disseminate the knowledge, lessons learned and good practices gained through the implementation of the project. Please note that each project is expected to develop at least one case study focused on summarizing project activities, results, lessons learned to enhance environmental governance. 1.7 Gender mainstreaming. Please describe how the project take into consideration the roles and needs of men and women, with a focus on the needs of women and how this would be reflected in results and benefits of the project. 1.8 Communication and replication of project results. Please describe how you would communicate the goals, activities and results of the project with government counterparts, civil society actors and other key stakeholders at national and sub-national level. Section B, Project Risk Monitoring and Evaluation. Section B, Project Risk Monitoring and Evaluation. This section should detail the risk issues, assumptions and sustainability issues and also describe the project work plan and monitoring during implementation. It should provide a full description of the issue outlined below. 2.0 Risk to successful implementation. Please identify and list the major risk factor that could result in the project not producing the expected results. This should include both internal factors, for example the technology involved fails to work as projected, and external factors, for example significant currency fluctuation resulting in change in the value of resources of the project. Please also propose risk mitigation measures to address the potential risk. Please include in this section the key assumption on which the project plan is based, for example government and environmental policy remaining stable, which are anticipated in project planning and on which the feasibility of the project depends. 2.1 Monitoring, evaluation plan and indicators. This section should be laid out as table 1 below. It should contain an explanation of the plan for monitoring and evaluating the project both during its implementation, field activities and at completion, review and analysis. Table 1 Activity planning, project monitoring schedule. Brief description of general objective of project, brief description of specific capacity results outcome. One number 1 to list of activities necessary to fulfill this outcome, indicate who is responsible for each activity and indicator of activity accomplishment. List of activities necessary to fulfill this outcome, indicate who is responsible for each activity and indicators of activity accomplishment. Activity responsible party, indicators, duration of activity in months, in quarters. Please indicate as many capacity results outcome as in the project and include rows as required for the project under preparations. The project should be monitored according to a planned schedule in line with the milestones identified in the implementation plan and time frame section 1.5 above. Among the key issues to be addressed as part of M&E are: how will the performance of project be tracked in terms of achievement of the steps and milestones set forth in the implementation plan? How will the impact of the project be succeed in terms of achieving the project's objectives? How will the mid-course correction and adjustment of the project design and plans be facilitated on the basis of feedback received? How will be the participation of community members in the project monitoring and evaluation process are achieved? Project indicators. Please select specific and measurable indicators which help capture the achievement of project results. These indicators will form the basis of monitoring and evaluation. These indicators should be aligned with the selected capacity results outcome and may be refined in consultation with the NC and or NSC. Please refer to Annex A for the list of mandatory capacity results indicators. The indicators set for the project should draw upon the set of capacity results indicators, see Annex A, but can also be enriched by other project specific and or national indicators that are appropriated for the project to track. Section C, project budget. The project budget is an important part of every GEF SGP project proposal and must be completed prior to consideration of a proposed project for funding. Once a project has been approved for funding, the budget information become part of the binding memorandum of agreement MOA between the GEF SGP and the proposing organization. The development and management of a realistic budget is an important part of developing and implementing a successful GEF project. Careful attention to issues of financial management and integrity will enhance the effectiveness and impact of the project. In keeping with the roles of GEF SGP as a support mechanism for community level intervention, every effort has been made to keep financial management requirement as straightforward and non-burdensome as possible. The following important principles should be kept in mind in preparing a project budget. Include only costs which directly relate to efficiently carrying out the activities and producing the objectives which are set forth in the proposal. Other associated costs should be funded from other sources. The budget should be realistic, find out what planned activities will actually cost and do not assume what you will be able to make for less. The budget should include all costs associated with managing and administering the project. In particular, include the cost of monitoring and evaluation, indirect cost or administrative overhead cost such as staff salaries and office rent are not funded by the GEF SGP or the EU NGOs project. These therefore should not be a part of the funding request. EU funds delivered by the GEF SGP should be spent according to the agreed budget. All relevant financial records should be made available. These may be independently audited and may become public information. The budget line items are general categories intended to assist in thinking through where money will be spent if a planned expenditure does not appear to fit in many of the standard line items categories. List the item under other cost and state what the money is to be used for. The figures contained in the budget should concur with those on the proposal cover page. GEF SGP grant request should not exceed 50,000 United States dollars, US dollars 50,000 per project. Financial details. A. Project funding summary. The proponent should provide a summary on how the project will be funded. This should be laid out in a matrix form as in table 2 below. Table 2 project funding summary. Funding sources, funding plan, local currency, year 1, year 2, total local currency, total US dollar. A. GEF SGP oblique EU NGOs project. B. Community. C. Proposing organization. D. Other co-financiers. Total project cost. B. Proposing organization contribution. The GEF SGP applies the principle of co-financing the target activities between the relevant partners in the project. It is therefore important that the proposing organization makes some contribution towards the operational and programmatic cost of the project. This can be laid out in a simple matrix as in table 4 below and should capture the different project partners and proponents. Table 4 proposing organization contribution. Sources of contribution, type, committed or projected, value, local currency, total. Project expenditure. This section will be details. This section will detail expenditure categories and how the funds will be dispensed over the project proposed. The anticipated expenditure in the project must be captured as below with the clear line items. Table 5, project expenditure category. Year 1 local currency, year 2 local currency, total local currency US dollar total. 1 personal labor, 2 equipment materials, 3 training seminars travel workshop, 4 contracts, 5 other support requested, total project cost. 3.3 bank details. Please provide the bank account information where project fund are proposed to be received when the proponent is a well established organization which may have multiple bank accounts. It is necessary to indicate which bank account will be used to receive SGP funds and how these funds can be tracked and accounted for. Three, outline other forms of support required from SGP which are not included in the budget. This support may be for both technical and administrative matters and not for additional funding. This may cover areas which which you need to specify, such as consultations, procurement or other specify. Annex A, EU NGO capacity results, outcomes and indicators. Proponents are advised to select, if necessary, in consultation with the NC, the specific capacity result outcomes indicate below. The project will contribute to 1 to 3 outcomes should be adopted by each project, and impact indicators choose should be correspond to each of these outcome. EU NGOs project capacity results, outcomes and indicators. Capacity results outcome. 1, capacity for engagement CR1. Indicator 1, number and type of platform, example seminars, consultation, dialogues, expert panels and round tables, organized and successfully implemented to enable key stakeholders to participate in consultative process related to environmental governance and management. Indicator 2, number of people or groups disaggregated by gender actively participating in consultative mechanism. Capacity results outcome 2, capacity to generate, access and use information and knowledge CR2. Indicator 1, public awareness raised through workshop and other activities. Number of workshop, number of people participating in awareness raising activities. Indicator 2, types of information and knowledge developed regarding national environmental problems and trends. Indicator 3, strategy implemented to share environmental information and knowledge with civil society and government. Capacity result outcome 3, capacity for strategy, policy and legislation development CR3. Indicator 1, national and subnational plan, policies and legal framework influence number and type. Indicator 2, number of policy brief, training workshop, media campaign etc. to influence policy and planning. Capacity results outcome for capacities for management and implementation CR4. Indicator 1, number of people trained on necessary project management skill to be specified according to type of training, including project development, resource mobilization, business planning and administrative capacity. capacity result outcome. 5 capacity to monitor and evaluate CR5. CR5 indicator 1, monitoring and evaluation systems establish number and type. Indicator 2, capacity for monitoring project and program established, number of people trained, designated by gender. Annex F, materials relating to coordination. Sample project budget reproduced from SOPs 3.2. Activities refer cost dollar month or cost per unit, number of staff items, number of months, total USD. Internal staff, health system and finance specialist, all covered by other sources. Take a task force team leader STC P5, all 14,500, 43,500. District health coordinator STC P4, all 13,300, 39,900. Technical officers STC 4, all 13,300, 39,900. List logistic officer STC P4, all 14,400, 14,400. Communication officers STC P2, all 11,500, 34,500. Local staff logistician 3.112, covered by other sources. Information assistant 3.213, covered by other sources. Equipment and other activities. Communication, mobile phone and radios 3.2, 34,000. 8 cholera kits including transportation 3.1, 1,05,000, covered by other sources. Assessment missions, all 10,000. Establishment of intenance including operational setting, all 20,000. Printing and distributing of weekly epidemiological bulletin and surveillance form 2.1, 5,000. Rapid training on case definition 1.2, 5,000. Project monitoring and reporting cost, all 24,620. Subtotal 2,70,820. Program support cost 7%, 18,957. Need to add MPR. Grant total 2,89,777. Budget notes. 1. Task force team leader manage the program to ensure that all components are effective in delivering results. Build a strong team culture and resolve any working problems. 1. Health system and finances specialist, best with the HOM provides advisory support to national and local authorities as a key work with health partners to ensure that essential health care services are accessible for all those in need, whilst safeguarding the medium and longer term policy objectives in relation to cost recovery. One district health coordinator, epidemiologist, work closely with local health authorities and maintain good contact with all stakeholders, supporting the epidemiological surveillance in the effective regions, monitor health trends, support possible epidemic response, identify gaps, and managing WHO humanitarian response in the field. Annexed Draft 27 June 8. Annex F, materials relating to coordination, overlaps and work with NGOs and other services providers according the play an active role in local coordination arrangements. 1. Technical support, work closely with local health authorities and maintaining good contact with all stakeholders. This includes offering evidence based advice, supporting active support, surveillance activities, data collection and rapid dissemination, case management protocol, and the training of key health workers. 1. Communication officer, ensure that weekly and other periodic situation and technical report are prepared and disseminated widely on time, supply to and gathered information from health partners, liaising closely with other reporting official in the UN system, particularly OCHA and UNICEF. 1. Logistics officers, ensure that transport, supplies and procurement, welfare, IT, communication and other key operational support elements are linked together effectively. Develop efficiently wherever needed, and operational problems resolved speedily for maximum functionality of the program. Managing WHO humanitarian response in the field. Annexed Draft 27 June 8. HIV/AIDS grant proposal budget. This budget proposal is an input-based budget describing all cost by nature. Year of grant 2014, NGO description, unit, number of units, cost per unit USD, NGO cost USD, UNO DC cost USD, total cost USD. Description, please enter a separate row for each cost, adding more rows as needed. Unit, describe the nature of unit. Example, monthly salary of staff, rent per venue, printing cost per training materials package, etc. And number of units, example if any. Unit per beneficiary and 30 beneficiaries, number of unit equal to 30. Cost per USD units, NGO cost USD, full fill out only if the NGO contributes with its own resources to the project. UNODC cost USD, total cost USD. 1. Personal project manager, admin, support personal, trainer, doctor, nurse, expert, consultants, etc. Subtotal. 2. Operation, maintenance, training, catering, accommodation, renting of venue, transport, etc. Subtotal. 3. Equipment and supplies, procurement or rent of small equipment and supplies need for the project activities, including goods, materials, etc. Subtotal. 4. Add more categories as needed. Subtotal. Total grant amount requested. HIV AIDS grant proposal budget. This budget proposal is an input based budget describing all costs by nature. Year of grant 2014. NGO description. Please enter a separate row of each cost, adding more rows as needed. Unit, describe the nature of the unit. Example, monthly salary of staff, rent per venue, printing cost per training material package, etc. Number of units. Example, if 1 unit per beneficiary and 30 beneficiaries, number of units equal to 30. Cost per unit USD. NGO cost USD. Fill out only if the NGO contributes with its own resources to the project. UNODC cost USD. Total cost USD. 1. Personal project manager, admin, support personnel, trainer, doctor, nurses, expert, consultants, etc. Subtotal. 2. Operation, maintenance, training, catering, accommodation, rent of venue, transport, etc. Subtotal. 3. Equipment and supplies, procurement or rent of small equipment and supplies need for the project activities, including goods, materials, etc. Subtotal. 4. Add more categories as needed. To subtotal. Total grant amount requested. All rules, acts are being printed in the government gazette, the Gazette of India, for the Central Rules and Legislation Act. It must be it must be published in this gazette. You can see this is the number of this edition. This is REGD LD. This is also number. The Gazette of India, Extraordinary, Part 2, Section 3, Subsection 1. published by authority. So in this type it is being published. We will study form 46. This is the inspection. By this form you will get so many ideas for improving or focusing on the on your premises or on your activities. Inspection by inspection committee. Fill as applicable. This type of form you can use for your inspection. If you visit your any place or any of your subordinates or any of your staff or any of your person in who is following you, you can inspect by this format and advise them for their improvement. So I am reading here. Inspection by inspection committee. Fill as applicable. Date of visit. This is not a format, this is for an idea only. Time of visit. Name of the official inspecting the home. A. General information. 1. Name and address of the organization. 2. Registration number under JJ Act 2015. Date of issue, date of expiry. Complete address of the CCI. CCI means Child Care Institution. 4. Name of the officer, person in charge. Contact number, email ID. Type of home, please tick 1. Observation home, special home, place of safety, children home, open shelter, any other, please specify. Observation home, special home, place of safety, children home, open shelter, any other, please specify. 4. If added, supported by a state government, name of the department. 8. If run by government. B. Status of children. Sanction capacity of the home. 2. Are the children of both sexes below 10 years kept in the same home? Yes, no. If yes, number of such children as on today. 3. Are the bathing and sleeping facility maintained separately for boys and girls in the age group of 5 to 10 years? Yes, no. 4. Are children segregated in the age group given below? Give number of children in the age group of 7 to 11 years, 12 to 18 years. 3. Are there children in the age group of 0 to 5 years staying there? Yes, no. If yes, give numbers. 4. Are there children above 18 years staying here? Yes, no. If yes, give numbers. 5. Number of new admission in the current month. 6. Number of children who have moved out, released. 7. Number of children referred by CWC JJB during the month. 8. Number of children produced before CWC JJB during the month. And 9. Number of children as on last date of previous month. 10. Number of children with special needs. If yes, give details. 9. Intervention made for their rehabilitation. 12. Are the individual care plans prepared for every child? Yes, no. Instruction. Building, rented, owned. Infrastructure. See, infrastructure, building, rented, owned. Are CCTV cameras installed at the entrance? Yes, no. Security adequate, inadequate? Yes, no. Sufficient space to accommodate the children? Yes, no. Space available. Number of rooms, dormitories, details, provision of sick room, medical unit, counseling room, recreational activity room, room for children. Is there a TV set available with cable network? Yes, no. How often are children allowed to view TV in the evening or any time? Are children playing game indoor? Yes, no. Whether game are available to them, age appropriate games or not? Are children playing games outdoor? Yes, no. Do they have equipment, accessories to play? Yes, no. Do children go for picnics, excursion, excursions, picnics, excursions? Yes, no. Do they have interaction with eminent personalities? Yes, no. Is there a recreation room available to children? Yes, no. Kitchen, dining room, is the cooking area and pantry separate? Pantry, pantry, pantry separate? Yes, no. Do children gets individual thalis, muggas, glasses? Yes, no. Are cooking utensils adequate and clean? Yes, no. Is there a fridge available for children? Yes, no. Is there a oven available for children? Yes, no. Is there a gas stove available for children in kitchen? Yes, no. Is there a chimney available? Yes, no. A safe away from children or not? What is the arrangement to keep the gas cylinders? Yes, no. What is the arrangement to keep the gas cylinder? Yes, no. Adequate water supply for washing, cooking? Yes, no. Adequate drinking water available, RO? Is cooking done by machines or by cook? Number of toilets and bathroom for children, flush is working? Yes, no. Tap in the wash basin are functioning? Yes, no. Is the floor slippery? Yes, no. Drains clean? Yes, no. Drains are closed? Yes, no. Fittings for hanging clothes, towels in place once or more in a day? Fitting for hanging clothes, towels in place once or more in a day? Cob wraps are removed? Cob wraps are removed? Yes, no. Door has a latch, LATCH latch? Yes, no. Door has peep holes? Yes, no. Frequency of bath of child is allowed? Yes, no. Frequency of bath a child is allowed? Yes, no. Water is adequately available? Yes, no. Adequate number of buckets and mugs? Yes, no. Personal toiletries are provided? Yes, no. Is washing powder or soap given? Yes, no. Do children wash their own clothes? Yes, no. Is there a washerman available? Yes, no. Is the washing machine functional? Yes, no. Open space for outdoor activities, classrooms, space for vocational training, premises. Does the home have a child friendly indoors? Yes, no. How often is the sweeping done twice a day or more? Are the children involved in cleaning exercise during class hours? Yes, no. Are the facilities of coolers, heaters available for children? Yes, no. Are the doors and windows maintained properly? Yes, no. Are the rooms and dormitories well ventilated? Yes, no. Is there an alternate provision for lights and fans when there is no electricity available? Yes, no. Are the outdoors clean, pleasant and child friendly? Yes, no. Clothing, bedding, lockers, toiletries provided to the children? Are the clothes provided as per size and season? Yes, no. Frequency of changing undergarments? Yes, no. No clothes are stitched or bought. New clothes are stitched or bought. Are the mattress given individually? Yes, no. Are pillows given individually? Yes, no. Are the mattress and pillows clean? Yes, no. Do children have separate cupboards? Yes, no. Are bed sheets and case available? Yes, no. Are blankets available in winters? Yes, no. Number of sets provided on arrival: 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency of providing new clothes: monthly, quarterly. Are these sets of same color or different colors? Same, different. Are children provided with individual lockers to keep their personal items? Yes, no. Other articles provided to the children. D. Services provided to the children: medical facility, maintenance of health card, nutrition, special diet, nutrition, special diet, make diet search dietary on Google and make dietary plan, nutrition plan or dietary plan, special diet, nutrition, special diet, provision of safe drinking water. Daily routine of children: daily routine must be make timetable, must be make time, activity schedule: morning, daytime, afternoon, evening, late evening, night. Here must be given time also. In the morning time, day 12 to and afternoon. Education: formal education, NFE means non-formal education, and life skill training program. Computer, internet, phone: is the facility of computer with internet available? Yes, no. Is the facility functional? Yes, no. Are the children allowed to use the facility? Yes, no. Is the telephone or official purpose? Is the telephone for official purpose only? Yes, no. Are the children allowed to use telephone? Fixed timing as and when required. Is the number of children 1098 displayed near the phone? Yes, no. Counseling guideline service: special educators, psycho, socio, physiotherapist, etc. provided. Physiotherapist, etc. provided. Vocational training, recreational facilities, linkages developed with other agencies, departments. Implementation of track the missing child program, entries of children in track the missing child website. Entries in children interact the missing child website. User ID and password provided. Other programs and activities initiated. Staff details, serial number, name, designation, date of joining, attendance at the time of visit, remarks, serial number, name, designation, date of joining, staff details, serial number, name, designation, date of joining, attendance at the time of visit, remarks. Children's committee, management committee, formation of children's committee, yes, no, age wise formation of children's committee, frequency of children's committee meeting, formation of management committee, date of constitution of management committee and frequency of meetings held. G, record maintenance, staff attendance register. This is very important. Record maintenance. G, record maintenance, staff attendance register, children attendance register, central administration register, admission register, individual case file with individual care plan, communication with CWC, JJB, children's suggestions book, children's suggestions book, children's suggestion book box, children's suggestion book, children's suggestion box, medical file, medical cards, personal belongings registers, personal belongings register, management committee, unit register, children's committee, minutes register, nutrition diet file, any other record maintained. Observation remarks, name of the inspection committee member, signature, name of the inspection committee member, signature, name of the inspection committee member, signature, name of the inspection commission, inspection committee member, signature. So you have seen the घर, कार्यालय, कंपनी, संगठन, पार्टी आदि का प्रशासन एवं बजट. होम, ऑफिसेस, कंपनीज, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पार्टी एक्सेट्रा, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड बजट. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड बजट ऑफ होम, ऑफिस, कंपनी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पार्टी एक्सेट्रा. So for running home, office, company, sangathan, organization, party, etc., we need some aims, objectives, activity, infrastructure, staff, articles, things, goods, all required facilities, services, and budget planning for that. And this video will help you in making your activity planned and budget for that. जय भारत, जय भारत के लोग, जय भारतीय संविधान.